welcome! I'm so glad that you're here. Today I am going to try a simple Victorian style. I have seen this diagram, like a page from an old book, around on the internet for a long time, and I've been wanting to try it. It says it's from 1870, so I honestly don't know the exact dates of the Victorian versus Edwardian period, I must admit. But anyway, it says Victorian hairstyle, 1870s, and I attempted it with the ribbon that they would have used, but it just slid out of my hair too well, so I'm going to try it again today with hair elastics. And I think I'm going to leave out some of the front section of my hair to do something with, because they never had their hair just like slicked back in a style. So make some curls or rope braids or something with the front part. Let's see. Just attach that like this for now. Don't need to be able to see. I don't know if this is a special talent, but I can kind of see with my fingers, I guess. I can kind of, somebody mentioned that the other day, that they needed a mirror to be able to see the hairstyles that they're doing. And I was like, for some reason, I'm pretty good at just knowing what something looks like by feel. Ooh, not there. How does that happen? Okay, that's better. So, start out with a ponytail. Yeah, pretty low, I think. Okay, and then another ponytail a little bit down. I'm not going to try to keep it proportioned the same as the diagram because I don't want these sections to be too long. Make sure I don't catch that hair in there. Okay, and another one about the same. Now, this bottom part gets split into two, and I'm going to loop it up, touch where the other ponytail holder is, creating this little loop, and then push in. That, and then we should have two loops. We should have two loops that are about the same size. Let's massage that a little bit. Okay, yeah. And then I'm going to pin these bits around it. Yeah! My ponytail holder came out. I've looked at this diagram so many times, and yet this is not as simple as the instructions led me to believe. Alright, well, let's try pinning this in here. See, I don't know how women were doing this with just ribbons. Or maybe this was just a diagram from a women's magazine that nobody was ever able to actually use. And there was something kind of decorative here, so. That is terrible! Really thought this next attempt was going to go a lot better. And now I have a tangle. What happened here? Got caught up in the hairstyle. Oh boy. Gently pull that out. I'm gonna keep going. Well, I hate to show you guys things that don't work, but perhaps this will save you from if you see this diagram and want to give it a try. Because this is what happened. To be fair to the diagram, I just made this shit up and it's ridiculous. This part, I don't know, I haven't seen it yet because I haven't turned my camera around, but it does not feel promising. See you next time. Be sure to check the link in the description box to sign up for my weekly roundup newsletter. You're gonna get a few goodies like an exclusive hairstyle tutorial, a free printable, and the opportunity to purchase my ebook, Hair Oils and How to Use Them, at half price. So again, link is in the description box, and I look forward to seeing you next time.